everyone, today we're going to show you how to use card control within the mobile banking app for your LAFCU debit card. First, you'll want to open the LAFCU mobile banking app and log in. Then you'll want to click the menu here to the left where you will see debit card controls. If you have never used debit card controls before, you will be prompted to download our card control app. Once you have that downloaded, click on the debit card controls option within this menu. Now you will see your debit card details. You can turn your card on or off here with this switch. You can select control preferences to set various controls on your card, including the locations it can be used, what type of merchants the card can be used at, limit the types of transactions, and set spending limits for the card. Under Alert Preferences, you can set up alerts for your card, such as to receive an alert every time the card is used, an alert for specific types of transactions, and alerts for the preferences you set, such as location and spending limits. Recent transactions will show you all of the transactions on your debit card recently. Linked accounts show you the other shares linked to the debit card and balance of those shares. You can set up a low balance alert for any amount you choose and perform a transfer within those linked accounts. Under Share Card Users, you can add another user to your debit card and view any current users. Using debit card controls keeps your account and debit card secure. Keep track of when, where, and who is using your debit card. Thank you for joining us.